Hi BeHappy friends! So now we already packed everything in the pack bag. This is why I love the pack bag, because everything is so simple and ready to go. So here is 5 shirts, 1 shorts, 1 pants, and swimwear, because I'm a girl, so I need, some pants, some swimwear. Okay, and these are underwear for 3 days 2 nights, sandals, mask, cables and chargers, first aid medicine, and here also included disinfectant. So we need this a small one, so we can, if you bring disinfectant less than 100 ml, you can bring it up to the flights. Sunglasses, hat, and wet tissue. So all these need to be put in one backpack, so you are ready to go, go to the plane and going out of the plane. So this is a backpack. Currently I'm using a bag that is about 35 liters, but I'm sure smaller bag than that, it can fit it well. So first thing first, the big one, in, underwear in, sandals are in, and we put the charger, cables, disinfectant, mask, medicine, glasses, and hat. All right, BeHappy has worked together with airlines, hotels for over 50 years. So if you book with us, we'll ensure you're getting a good deal and awesome travel experience. Don't worry with BeHappy. We will take care of you. I hope I'll see you in our next video. Bye.